similar name. Here's a step-by-step approach to troubleshoot it. Task 1. Check server status. Make sure the server itself isn't down. Many games or services have status pages or Discord announcements. If it's a private or community server, contact the admin to see if it's online. 2. Verify your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try restarting your router or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if possible. 3. Check login credentials. Double-check your username, email, and password. If the server uses third-party login, Steam, Epic, Xbox, PlayStation, ensure that account is active and logged in. 4. Clear cache temporary data. Sometimes cached login data can cause issues. For desktop apps, clear the app cache or reinstall the client. For browsers, clear cookies and site data if you're using a web client. Ashtar 5. Firewall antivirus. Make sure your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking the connection. Try temporarily disabling them to see if it resolves the issue. Remember to enable them afterward. 6. Update the client. Ensure your game or app is updated to the latest version. Outdated versions sometimes fail to connect to servers. Ashtar 7. Error logs. If there's an error code or log message beyond could not sign in, note it. It can help identify the exact problem. If you want, I can give specific fixes based on whether this is